when Sukadeva Goswami was about to recite Srimad Bhagavatam, at that time, the demigods came to Sukadeva Goswami and said, they came with a pot of nectar. What does nectar do? Nectar gives immortality. So they suggested that please give this nectar to Parikshit Maharaj, because by drinking this nectar he will become immortal. And please tell us Srimad Bhagavatam. But Sukadeva Goswami replied that where is a broken piece of glass and where is a perfectly cut diamond? Can it be compared? Now you have come to trade Srimad Bhagavatam with a pot of nectar. So who cares for this broken piece of glass? Because by drinking nectar, one can one can enjoy in the heavenly planet. But what is the heaven enjoyment in the heavenly planet compared to the spiritual enjoyment that one derives out of pure devotional service to the Lord? So this way, Sukadeva Goswami discouraged the demigods. Why did he discourage the demigods? Because the demigods are not pure devotees of the Lord. And unless and until one becomes a pure devotee of the Lord, one doesn't have access to Srimad Bhagavatam.